What's up there? Thanks so much for clicking on this video and welcome to the channel. So if this is your first time that you are watching my video, thank you so much for watching this video and you're welcome to my channel. This is a natural hair care channel, and also if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and thanks for the love. So in today's video, I'm basically going to give my views on some gels that I have used before. Some of them I'm still using, others I'm no more using them. So I'm just going to share with you my thought about them, my views about them, so that in case you're considering buying any of these gel, you know what you are getting yourself into. So without further ado, let's just head right into the main video. So the gels I'm about to show you are great gels and they are all natural hair gels. I have used them on my hair and I believe each gel works differently and it will work differently for different hair types. And for those of you who don't know, my hair is type 4B4C hair and I have medium porosity hair. My hair is almost waist length. Yeah, so the first gel that I'm about to show you is this one. This is the Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is the latest gel that I am using. So I decided to get this gel and to try it on my hair. I have been used to Eco Styling Gel, which I will talk about later on, and so this is the latest gel that I'm using. Now this gel is actually not too thick. It's actually not too thick. Personally, I've tried it on my hair and it has, so I would say the hold is, it doesn't have too much hold. I feel like the gel is gonna be good for hair types that define, like that is easy to define. So we have some hair types that are easy to define whilst others are not. So this gel is not going to be great for like kinky hair, like if you get me. It's not going to be great for a hair that is difficult to define. So if you know that your hair is kind of like difficult to define, or you have a problem with like getting gels to define your hair, then I don't think this gel is going to be great for you because you wouldn't get that much hold from it. Aside that, I would say this gel is great if you want to do a twist out with it. Well, yeah, probably a braid out, a twist out, or you want to combine it with other gels, then I would say you can go in for this Wetline Extreme Gel. But to use it on its own, girl, I don't think that would be it. Now the second gel that I am going to be talking to you or telling you about is the Anti-Jackies Curls and Coils Don't Shrink. This. So this is how this is. I have had it for a very long time. I haven't been able to use all of the gel, and yeah, I would say this gel too doesn't have that much hold and it is not too thick. Yeah, but I would also say that if you are the type that finds it difficult to define your curls, then I don't think this is also going to be great in defining your curls. For instance, if you want to do a wash and go specifically with it, because this gel does not also have that much hold, and it is going to be great if you want to use it probably as a twist out or a braid out or something like that. I like the smell of this gel, and unfortunately if you combine this gel with other gels or other products, it can cause this white flakes. Yes, I've tried that before with one of these contour, I think the contour curl activating cream, and it did flake. So what I'll say is that just be careful when you're using Anti-Jackies Don't Shrink gel because it might flake. So the third gel that I'm going to talk about is the Eco Styling Gel, and this is the olive oil Eco Styling Gel. Now this gel, unfortunately I've used everything in the container. You can see I've used everything, and this is my go-to gel. Like, girl, I use this gel 80% of the time. Yeah, and this is my favorite, one of my favorite gels. It works very well. It has, I won't say it has stronghold, it's medium. I would say it's medium, because I won't say it doesn't have hold, and I won't say it's like it gives that stronghold. No, but it is medium. So I have used this gel for a wash and go before. Yeah, I have used this gel for a twist out before, and I would say I really also liked the results. I'll put one of the videos that I used Eco Styler gel for you to see the results on my hair. And but this is also great for wash and goes, if you say. And looking at my hair type, or for my hair type, I would say it works well if your hair is quite difficult to define. Even though I'm saying all these, sometimes things can change because we all have unique hair types. But sometimes you can also relate with people that have similar hair types like yours. That's what I'm saying this. But Eco Styler Gel is also great, but it might flake if you are not able to combine it well with other products. So usually when I'm using this gel, I most of the times do not like to use a lot of leave-in or curling creams, because it might flake. I use just a little, and then I go ahead with this gel, and it works perfectly. So yeah, this is another gel. Now the fourth gel I'm going to be talking about is this, the Reveiw Naturals hair gel with hibiscus extract. So this is a Ghanaian brand gel, and not many of the Ghanaian hair care brands or natural hair care brands have gels, but Reveiw Naturals have their own gel, and this gel does not also have that strong hold, and it's quite slippery. I don't know, but I think I have tried to use it as a wash and go before, and I would say the results were okay. Now this gel doesn't have that much hold, so I don't think if you want to use a gel that would last you longer, this can cater for that. I don't think so, but this would also be great for a good twist out, or a good braid out, or a wash and go for a hair type that is quite easy to define. But all being said, this gel is also good, and based on the ingredients too, it has no alcohol, and it is a natural friendly gel. So if you're looking for a good gel from Ghana, this is one of the gels that you can look into. So the other gel that I want to talk about is this gel. So this is the Cocoblack Naturals curling custard. Now this is a curling custard, kind of like gel, kind of like, yeah. So this is also one of the Ghanaian hair care brands, and they have this curling custard. This is not specifically for a go-to gel use. I don't know how to put it, but this is how it is. Yeah, it's black in color, and it is used to define curls. Like, let me say this curling custard is great for hair types that are difficult to define. Yes, so sometimes you feel like you try all the gels available and you are not getting the needed results, then probably you should look into the Cocoblack Naturals curling custard. I have a video, actually a video of me doing a wash and go with this curling custard, so you can check it up here because the video will definitely be here. So This curling custard has, it's not really sticky and it's not too thick, but I don't know how it works, but it definitely works because it did work. And it also has strong hold, like it gives strong hold. I believe that is why it's able to work for all hair types, because it has this strong hold. And it is great for wash and goes. I haven't tried a twist out with this, but I'll try and do a twist out with this curling custard one of these days. And so this curling custard is everything. So that is the Cocoblack Naturals curling custard. You can also look into it and try and purchase one. So the final that I'm going to talk about is, this is not necessarily a gel, but it is the cream of nature flexible styling knot. Now before I purchased this product, I actually went into to watch some videos and watch some reviews on these to know what I'm actually getting myself into, and I purchased this. Now I've not been able to use much of this product because I believe this product is really great if you want to do a sleek hairstyle and you want the hairstyle to last you for days. So all these gels that I showed you, I mean, you can get a sleek hairstyle, but for it to last you for days, probably the curling custard can do that. I don't know, but I'll try it. But this is one of the creams that, like, it also has this amazing hold, and I haven't tried using this as a curl defining cream or whatever, because I mean it has this hold, but I think I should try that. So let me show you how it is like. Okay, this is how it is. Quite slippery and sticky. So this is how the cream of nature snot cream looks like, and I would say if you want to do a sleek ponytail, then you should consider this. So that is about it, guys. Out of this 5, I would say I like all of them, even though I have my favorites, which is the Cocoblack Naturals curling custard, the eco styling gel, and this. So that will be it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if I haven't touched on something that you want me to touch on in about these products, and also make sure that you leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do well to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber on this channel. So if you have used any of these gels, please let me know which of them that you have used, and also what you think about the ones that you use. I mean, how it felt on your hair. Like, I just want to know how you also think about these products. Yeah, so that would be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is probably going to be a DIY video. So thanks so much, and do come back next week for a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you same time next week. Until then, bye.